Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Nervos Network CKB price action primarily. We will be starting to cover CKB again twice a week. I think on Tuesdays, I'm going to go ahead and do the news and charts. And then on Fridays, it'll just be exclusively charts just to get us through that weekend, right? Let's take a quick peek at the markets. Before we get into the TA, it's half in the bag, right? It's 50-50. CKB down, quote unquote, down 3.6% after this very impressive rally. As we look at CKB on the weekly chart, folks, this is stuff I was telling you was going to happen last week. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now because you're not going to want to miss out on these updates. We were talking about this bullish Gartley or this harmonic pattern that took place. We were talking, let's just move down to a 4-hour chart. We were talking about this inverse head and shoulders that happened, and then there was also two falling wedges. So, man, we were really following 4 bullish patterns at the same time. And this is interesting. If we look at this massive price breakout, you can see that we've got a very nice bull flag pull, and price has come down to test this upper trend line, which is cool, right? So I do think that there is this chance maybe we'll see some sort of falling wedge or symmetrical triangle off this bull flag pull. Let's analyze this at a super high level. Now, this is a very nice bull flag pull, exactly like we want to see. Price was way too far away from the Ichimoku cloud. Price reeled in. What I am seeing right now is a confirmed ABC corrective wave, but we could see a DE corrective wave happen. Price could come down and retest this trend line once again. What I'm hoping happens, though, is that we get some Elliott wave theory maneuvering to the upside, and I'll elaborate just a little bit further here. Really, when it comes down to it, folks, we want to see span 2 to 3 be bigger than 0.0 to 1. And so by default, if we get a nice little ripping to the upside, bear with me while I try to grab this marker, we will need price to exceed 0.003143. So I am hoping that, let's just throw down some Fibonacci extensions. So I'm hoping that we see price maybe come up to this golden ratio by the weekend to this 0.003283-ish level. So we could possibly see price maybe come up and nip at the heels of that, maybe fall back down to the 127. Ideally, we would like to see this price keep moving up and up and up. So right now, this is what we want to see. What we don't want to see, I'm just going to go ahead and clear this chart because we don't need all that stuff up there anymore. What I'm hoping we don't see is some sort of harmonic pattern. So we could be seeing the right shoulder, the C. We could be seeing the C location of a bullish Gartley or the C shoulder of a bullish Gartley forming before we come back down and find D. We could be seeing some sort of head and shoulders pattern that is forming. We could see some sort of double top. When it comes down to it, I just want to see price break past above this 0.002895-ish level. And really, folks, that's the very short and sweet on today's technical analysis for CKB. We just have to play and wait. We'll see you guys all Tuesday.